These chickens are so funny, guys. Oh, I almost forgot to do my intro. Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to be looking at some chickens. Well, they're my chickens anyways, so let's get looking. First, we gotta enter the okay. Let's enter my coop, guys. Can you put the thingy? Oh. Okay. Hello. Let's go get my chicken named Jeffrey. Hi, Mrs. Clucker. Yeah, that's Grandma. Jeffrey. Oh, there's Jeffrey. We're in the back. Where's Jeffrey? Right there. Right there. Come here, Jeffrey. You're on YouTube. Come here. Girl. Look at her. She's a good girl. All my chickens are hens, so I don't have a single rooster, and I need one so I can get more chicks. I thought you were outside, buddy. Get over here. Get over here. Get over. Get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Huh? Sorry, I'm scared. Come here. Let me eat. Just kidding. Sorry. Okay, bye guys.